This is Beauty or Bust, where we test out the beauty world's weirdest products and decide if they're worth your money or a total bust. The cat eye. It's been done to death, it's super basic, but to this day, it remains a classic. For me, it's still really hard to do, even though it seems like there are about 1 million products out there to help you do a cat eye. So today, I'm gonna be testing out one of those solutions, the QuikKat liner strips. They may sound familiar, and it's because I had a horrible time trying them the first time around. This feels terrible. Why is nothing happening? Since that video, they've come out with a new version of their liner strips, and we are gonna be trying them out today, so I can see if I can get them to work this time. I'm gonna be evaluating the QuikKat liner strips on how easy they are to use, how well they actually work, and how well they fit my eyes, because it seems like a very one-size-fits-all eyes type of product. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a little packet, and it says that it comes with 72 strips, 36 sets. Apply winged liner with unique transfer process for use with gel liners only. So you cannot use liquid eyeliner with this, it has to be gel. It says the new and improved version 2.0. We'll see about that. It says that this is the actual size and shape of the strips inside. I don't think I ever do eyeliner that thick. I'm lying. So step 1 is using scissors, clip a left strip and a right strip from the sheet. So one thing that's different about these new and improved strips versus the old ones that I tried is that the old ones said that you couldn't place it on top of makeup. It had to be placed on top of bare skin. These, on the other hand, don't really specify, so I'm just gonna apply them right over my makeup. So I got my 2 little buddies right here. Oh my God, can you see the vision? I'm gonna take my gel eyeliner, open it up. This is the liner that came with the kit. And we have the little sponge applicator. So I'm just gonna get some and apply it. Right, this looks like plenty. And I'm just like smoothing it out. Nope, see, like the more I rub in with the sponge applicator, it feels like more is coming off of the sticker. So now I just gotta do some damage control, cover up all the patches that I see. So I'm gonna peel this. Whoa, oh, there's my, oh, is it? Oh no, I got some smudged on the other side. So that's not what's gonna be on my eye. Don't be alarmed. Align at point 3 with outer corner of eye, transfer wing shape to eyelid by pressing the strip along the upper lash line. It's time, okay. I'm gonna hold my breath, but it's time to place the strip. I gotta just do it. I just gotta do it. All right, here we go. Oh God. Oh! Ah! It worked! It totally worked! That's so fun! Wow, that looks really good. I do just want to like zhuzh it up a bit, so I'm gonna take the felt tip liner and just like make it a little bit more sharp. Even though I did touch it up a bit just to make it a bit more sharp and clean looking, this was very minimal effort on my part. Let's do this. I do like how pretty much once you go through this whole process once, you don't really need the instructions again. That is incredible! Oh my God, I am freaking out. This is so fun. I got a bit of a smudge on my eye. Oh no! Ah! I can clean it up. I can fix it, I promise. So I did smudge the liner by accident. I'm gonna use the felt liner to fix it. QuikKat totally redeemed themselves today. Not only did I have a great time using this kit, but it actually worked. This version is just a lot better, I think, in terms of application, Maybe because last time it didn't even come off on my eye. It was just a much better experience overall. 100%, they totally work. I think it's because gel liner is so much more of a pigmented, soft, and transferable formula. Not only am I bad at winged liner, I also have like 2 different shaped eyes, so getting them to be exactly right just is always difficult. The strips did fit my eyes fairly well, and I'm sure that these strips could fit a majority of eye shapes. I would just love to see some more diversity in the shapes because not everybody is like one size fits all. If you struggle with winged eyeliner, this kit can really help. Even though it is a bit time consuming, you do have to go through a few steps, but I think that the end product is totally worth it.